Hi there, I'm Fiona Goble and I'm the author of around 20 knitting books, and I also write some individual patterns. And today I've got Frida Kahlo with me, who is an iconic Mexican artist who has inspired a range of decorations from cushions to wallpapers, and I didn't want to be left out, so I've done a knitted version of her. She's knitted all in oddments of double knitting DK yarn on some 3.25 millimeters knitting needles. I like to use these little needles which are about 15 centimeters or 6 inches because I find it much more manageable to knit the little pieces that Frida's made up from. So the skirt and the top are removable, and also the boots. She had quite a few pairs of these sort of red lace-up boots. I have really tried to sort of make her wearing the sort of things she actually did wear. And she wears these long skirts, which were traditional in the part of Mexico that she was from, and these quite sort of boxy tops, all in bright colours, and really you can choose whatever bright colours you happen to have. I have also made these little knitted flowers for her hair, and I give full instructions on those, and also she has a little sort of plait running over the top of her head. Her hair was always really beautifully done, and of course she's very famous for her monobrow. The jewellery are just bits and pieces that I happen to have, a few sort of odd beads and earrings, but you can easily pick up something similar for £1 or £2 in charity shops and thrift shops. So I was just going to show you, I like having a bit of attention to detail. So she's got some pink bloomer style pants on that are actually knitted as part of the main doll, but as I mentioned, all the other parts of her are removable, and I've knitted a simple stripes here, but really you could knit the whole thing in bright stripes, add a bit of embroidery, really sort of make your own version of Frida. So I really hope you enjoy knitting her. I should also mention she's got a little bit of pink crayon on her cheeks, just to sort of give her a sort of colourful look. She did her makeup beautifully. She was actually, I haven't done her justice, she was actually a very, very beautiful woman, but I really hope you enjoy knitting your own version of her.